Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to talk about my favorite kitchenware, Parmedu, and specifically the salt and pepper shakers. They are phenomenal, y'all. They have shanks, these really nice shanks in here so that your pepper doesn't get all caught up. Okay. And it has these little dots in here that run from fine to coarse, and all you have to do is turn that little knob. Okay? And just by adjusting that, you get the perfect grind for whatever you're doing every time. Okay, inside your box, you will find 2 USB cords and a little dusting brush, and that's to just wipe off the top. All right. The USB goes in back here. There's an on and off switch. It only takes like 15 minutes to fully charge, and then it lasts for days and days. I've been using mine for several weeks now, and I haven't charged them yet. You hear it cracking that pepper? It has the best steel shank in there that I've ever seen on an electric grinder. I have been very, very, very impressed with all my Parmedu kitchenware, and that's coming from somebody who's been cooking for 45 years, all right? You cannot go wrong.